Hello everyone, George here, and today's video is all about the tutorial, which is how to get started with Arduino. This will be a part 2, which is the Arduino IDE installation. Here, I will walk you through the installation of Arduino IDE in Microsoft Windows platform. Arduino IDE is available in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can even program your Arduino board using your Android mobile phone. Yes, you heard it right, because Android OS is basically a Linux on its core. Arduino IDE also offers a portable package. This is very useful when you need to code in one computer and continue to another computer. You just need to copy the portable folder in your flash disk, and you may open the IDE in another computer. This is especially useful to students whose schools implements strict admin rights in their computers. In the later part, we will try to use the example code, which is a blink example. This is to test if our installation is successful. Without further delay, let's get started. First, let's start by opening our web browser. Type google.com in the URL address bar, then hit enter. Then, in Google search box, type Arduino IDE, then hit enter. Click the Arduino Software IDE in the search results. There, you will be redirected to the Arduino software page, and they have the available Arduino web editor. The advantage of this is your data or your code is always available in the cloud. While scrolling down, you can download the Arduino IDE, which is now, as of this moment, is 1.8.12, and there's available for Windows, and there's available for portable, and this is the new one, which is Windows app. They have available software for Mac OS and Linux, but for now we will only download the Windows installer. Here, we will just select just download, but you may also choose to contribute and download by contributing some of your money to the Arduino community. Then we will wait until the download is finished. Now the download is complete. Let us open the download folder. Let us go to the folder. Then double click the Arduino 1.8.12 Windows installer to install the Arduino IDE in our computer. Then click the I agree button, next button, install button, then next button again, then install button again. Then we will wait until the installation is complete. Now the installation is completed. Click close. Then we will open the actual Arduino IDE in our desktop shortcuts. Now, to open the Arduino IDE, we will double click the Arduino shortcut found in our desktop. Then we will open the blink example under the file examples basics, then blink. So this is basically blinking the built-in LED, which is connected to digital pin 13. So here in the setup, we set the pin mode LED built in as output. Then we write a logic high to built-in LED by digital write. Then we delay for 1000 milliseconds. Then again we write logic low. Then we wait for 1000 milliseconds again. Then loop. Then to write to upload the sketch to our Arduino Uno, we make sure that the port is properly selected under the tools, then under board, Arduino Uno, because we are using Arduino Uno, and we also make sure that the correct COM port is selected. Then after that we can click the upload button. Then we will just wait until the upload is completed. Now as you can see, the upload is complete and the built-in LED is now blinking every second. I would suggest to modify the source code to advance your knowledge and to learn by your own by expanding the example. So as for that, we will try to add a serial debug communication. So let's do that by first initializing our serial. So let's make a comment here. Serial initialization. Then we serial begin with a baud rate of 9600. Then here when the LED is on, we send something like LED is on. Then when the LED is off, we send through serial like LED is off. Like that. Then we'll loop again. After that, click upload again to upload our modified sketch to our Arduino Uno. Then we will just wait until the uploading is complete. So basically, this should send an LED on when the LED is on and LED off when LED is off in the serial debug protocol. So now the upload is complete. So let us see by opening our serial monitor. So as you can see, LED is on, LED is off, LED is on, LED is off. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.